Hey everyone, and welcome to another Mighty Mini Monday. Today I wanted to show you something about something that might help you empower your command line. Now I know that we've all been learning Linux and I'm personally using Arch, but this should work on any of your Linux distributions that you'd like to use, even probably WSL. Now there's always this fight about how to manage your path in Linux, and I think I found what I like and think is the best way right now. Now, classically, you'd see a file like this, your bash rc. I use Zush, but we're going to look at this bash rc really quickly. Now, it would be common to see something like this export path equals your new path colon the old path, and you're concatenating a new value to this path environment variable. But this is fraught with peril. It's easy to screw up your path, and to be honest, it's a lot of typing. If you wanted to make another one, you'd need to type out this entire thing. So one of the bigger downfalls that this does suffer, let's say that we source this file a couple of times. There should be no problem with this, and we could source it a few times, maybe quite a few, for whatever reason we want. Now, if we go ahead and echo our path, you'll notice that we added that same line over and over and over because it just takes that original path and concatenates something onto it, even if it's already there. So if we did this a bunch more times, we get even more of the exact same thing. And this isn't what we really want. So we want a safer way to make sure we don't screw up our path, a faster way that requires us to type less if we want to add something to our path in either our bash or Zush RC files. And it would be even better if, upon running the script again, it didn't cause this problem. Let's go ahead and clear out our path, reset it. All right, so now I'm going to show you what I think is my favorite way to manage our path. And it's this addpath function. It's not very complicated and it's amazing. You can see here, I add a bunch of things to my path. For reference, this is the old style way of doing it, all this extra typing that you have to do. And here is how you can do it from now on. With this addpath function, what it does is first checks to see if it's already in the path. If it is in the path, it doesn't add it. And if it's not in the path, it goes ahead and adds it, appends it to your path for you. So now we can run this function or this file as many times as we want. We can source it as many times and we'll never get a ton of things. You can see here we have quite a few things here from crew to cargo. And let's go ahead and source it quite a few times. It doesn't matter how many times we do this. I mean, I did update Zush. So let's go ahead and heck out our path. Now, you're going to notice that there's actually quite a few things repeated. And maybe I thought that this wasn't supposed to happen. But if you look a little closer, you'll notice that it's this home Merrick Wasomer, which is a Wasm package, and a few others. But if you do notice, there's not repeated crew. There's not repeated other ones. Why is that? Let's go check it out. If you notice here, there are a few things in my Zush file that are still using the old method, that haven't reverted to this new, nice, clean, crisp add path. But this add path function, which will be in the description of this video, is out there for you to go leverage. Now, I have to say that I'm not the person that invented this, and I don't know who is. If you do know, leave a comment with whoever created it, and I'll pin that comment so that they get the credit that's due to them. Somebody in my stream actually pointed this out to me, and I have absolutely loved it. But as far as I know, I don't know that person. Here it is for everyone else. It's awesome. Absolutely awesome. And is my favorite way to manage path in Linux. Well, if you did not like this video, if you do not like learning how to manage your path just a little bit better in Linux, please go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, stick around, and see what other wonderful things you won't like doing.